The Supreme Court recently upheld the decision to permit Donald Trump's name on the 2024 primary ballots. This followed several unsuccessful state-level attempts to hold Trump accountable for the Capitol unrest. The court determined that the states do not have the authority to use a post-Civil War constitutional provision in this regard. The court stated that only Congress has the authority to decide on such matters. Attempts to exclude Trump from the ballot in states like Colorado and Maine have been effectively wrapped up. The key reason behind these attempts was the disputes regarding the 2020 presidential election outcome. Few believe that these efforts led to the unfortunate Capitol incident on January 6, 2021. This is the first time the Supreme Court has considered a case concerning a section from the 14th Amendment. Previously, the Colorado Supreme Court ruled this provision could successfully be applied to Trump. The impact of this decision is feared to instigate debate around applying the provision to disqualify Trump if he wins the 2024 elections. Some fear a potential attempt to delegitimize Trump's theoretical election victory by a Democratic-led Congress via this clause. Arguments were heard just over a month prior, and at the time, the court seemed likely to rule in Trump's favor. This is the most notable involvement by the Supreme Court in an election since the Bush versus Gore case in 2000. Further cases are underway, which might impact Trump's re-election prospects, including one concerning election interference. Speculations are abound about the timing of Trump's potential trial ahead of the November election. Many uncertainties have arisen from both conservative and liberal justices about the case against Trump. Plaintiffs argue that events of January 6 qualify as an insurrection instigated by Trump. The final decision was provided by a court comprising 3 justices who were appointed by Trump during his presidency.